Okay, guys, here we are. Do a little video. This is try that again. Do a little closeout video. This is the 92 blue Mustang LX Coupe. It's got small block Chevrolet, 60 over, low compression, got a good set of heads on it. I say good. For the street, they're fine. Got Edelbrock E-street. You can watch one of the other videos, did a full breakdown on the car. 2 or 3 days after I bought the car, the previous owner called me with seller's regret. I had no intentions of selling the car back, but I want to go run the 7.0 class when I go to the track. Well, this little car is only going to be able to do that if I spray it. And it does have a nice Nitrous Outlet Weekend Warrior plate kit on it. I have not sprayed it. I think the previous owner sprayed it a pass or two, but I don't know. So after deliberating long and hard and thinking about it, instead of pulling the motor out, using a 347 or a 408 that I have here in this car, which I've got another car y'all hadn't seen on the channel yet, but you will here soon. I'm going to go ahead and sell this car back to the previous owner. He's on the way right now to pick it up, probably 30 minutes out. It is a lot of fun. It's a dependable car. It runs cool. I don't have to worry about it overheating. I can hot lap it. It doesn't hurt the ET any. But the car's going home to the guy that built the car. He's about my age. He's retired, just like I am. Wants the car back, so we're going to make that happen today. He's coming to get it. Y'all will see the car leaving on the video. But I'll give you a little walk around of the car. I'm not going to open the hood. The hood's pin on and yada yada. But I will show you inside the car. I've made some improvements to the car. He's happy to get it back. He's happy for the improvement. So anyway, this will be the last time y'all see this car on this channel, unless I see it at the track, something like that. Who knows? He might call me in 6 months and say, hey, you want to buy it back? I have done that before. Anyway, y'all stand by for the next clip. We'll give you a little walk around of the car. All right, guys. That's what we're dealing with. Yeah, the cage is purple. He didn't know. I didn't either. I don't care. Probably for an old guy, other than the courtesy bars that Jay Baker put in my old 81, this is probably the slickest setup I've seen. It's got pins. You just pull the pin out, and the bar tucks into a bigger piece of pipe down here in the floor. You can just pull the bar out. But since the previous owner's coming to get the car, put the door bars back in. The other one I leave in there all the time. My wife won't ride in it, so there's that. You know, I think it's a quarter stick. I did put a air fuel meter in it. A lot of little stuff, you know. I put the LX badges on the car. I don't know what color it's going to look like on this video, but it's Reef blue, my favorite color. Fix the lights. I put the 92C on there because at the track, if you're get home 6 months later, you'll pull a time slip out and you think, I don't even know what car that was to, because I've got several. I mean, you can see them, but that makes it really easy. 6A box. My plan was to rewire the car. It's got a nitrous outlet controller in there. I ran a dedicated circuit to power all that stuff. Still starts off the key. Sitting on Draglites. One of the things I did is it had some hazed over stock headlights in it. And I know, I've heard it before. I don't like the one-piece headlights. Well, I like the dark tinted ones. And that's what I put in my car. So that's what you see here. I think it looks killer. It's me. Like I always say, you build you, I build me. That's how we roll. There's my daily back there. Good old red smart car. But that's the car, fellas. We're going to say farewell to it today. It's going home. All right, guys. The previous owners here, we're fixing to load it up. Since I got the hood off, I'll just give you a little look at what we was working with. That's it right there. Small block Chevy. Keep going. All right, guys. Here we are, closing out the 92 Reef Blue Coupe. Went back to the original owner. He's tickled to death with it. He's got it back. I'm one less project. We are moving on to a couple other little odds and ends we're cleaning up here around the shop. And so we got crap everywhere. Typical, substandard. I got a car over there with no rear end in it. So anyway, y'all give me a like and subscribe, and we'll get some more videos put out. We've got a couple little projects sitting around here that you can't see on this camera right now, but they're coming up soon. I appreciate you guys for liking, subscribing, and y'all have a blessed day.